In this unit, we will be talking about resumes and how to write an effective resume. In this video, we will start by defining the resume and talk about 3 reasons why job seekers need a resume. In later videos, we will take you through each part of the resume and how to write a clear and organized resume. At the end of this unit, you will write your own resume to describe your work experience, education, and skills. Let's get started with a definition. What is a resume? A resume is a written document of work experience, education, and skills. Resumes are usually only 1 or 2 pages long and give a short but detailed description of your past job duties and experiences. Employers often need to read many resumes, so they look for keywords or phrases to decide if they should interview the candidate or not. Why do you need a resume? Because there's a lot of competition in the job market. Job seekers need to create a resume that really shows their qualifications to an employer. A great resume is really important for 3 main reasons. First, a great resume will get the attention of the employers and show why you are a good match for the job. Employers will read many resumes from many different applicants, so you need to make sure that your resume clearly stands out to get the attention of the employer. Remember that your qualifications should match the job advertisement. If the company is looking for someone with 5 years of sales experience, you should have 5 years or more of sales experience, and say that clearly in your resume. The second reason you need a great resume is that it communicates your strongest skills and accomplishments to a future employer. Your resume should highlight the skills that employers often look for, such as technology skills and communication skills. Your resume should also include professional accomplishments or activities. For example, if you wrote a book that was published, you should put that in your resume. The third and most important reason you need a great resume is that it gets you an interview. Your resume is your first chance to get the employer's attention. Job seekers want to leave the reader with a positive first impression or a good feeling. If the employer likes what they read, they will contact you to interview for the job. The interview is your chance to meet the employer in person and give more details about your qualifications. In summary, a resume is an important document that describes your work experience, education, and skills. There are 3 reasons why you need a great resume: to get the employer's attention and show you're a good match, to communicate your skills and accomplishments, and to get an interview. In the next video, we will talk about the parts of a resume.